Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I took a total of 5 setups to trade hits full TP of 1 is to 3 risk reward. One trade is still running in profit, one loss was taken cleanly, and two positions were managed to break even. This is what trading actually look like. Not every trade wins, but the risk management and execution make the difference. I followed my plan and stayed disciplined throughout the session. In this video, I'll break down each setup step by step, entries, exits, mistake and what I did right so you can understand the full process behind the results. Let's get into this. We know that market is open from the 9 p.m. which is New York time zone, but from my time zone it's 5:45 a.m. like this. You can see this is the high volatile candle. Uh, After the closing of this candle, I can see there is a structure. This is the perfect structure, and we can see if we ignore these candles like this, we can get the low which is like this, which is apex also, and then this break level. We got only two level here, and then after our market touch into my this zone, I usually go to the 3-minute time frame for entry setup. Here you can see there is no any entry setup on 3-minute time frame. I look for that white candle which is printed by my indicator. It shows the candle confirmations. It usually make white if there is a momentum on the market, and after the formation of this white candle, I put my SL at this level and I successfully hit about 1:3 error. And you can see and yeah, another thing is that I also took this sell trade here, and this sell trade from this 1 hour level. I usually take counter trend trade from the 1 hour level, and after marking the 1 hour level, I went to the 15-minute time frame for the zone refine. I went to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, I can see this is the rejection week. This is the level from where I took the sell trade, which is also the counter trade. And here you can see after market toss this level, it's not forming any black candle here, and after some time it formed black candle here, and I took my trade at this level, and it successfully hit 1:3 error, and this is the two perfect winning trade. And I will show you another trade. You can see like market broke this high, and it formed the another structure, and here you can see it also broke this high. So this structure become the recent structure for the market. So I take only recent structure. So this is the buying zone, I can see, and this is the buying zone. There is the two buying zone here, and after market reach into my buying zone, I usually go to the 3-minute time frame, and then I took the trade after forming the this white candle and my SL at this level. Another thing is that I usually put my SL at the zone, but I just refine my trade plan by just putting SL below this swing, and then it hit about 1:2 like this. And like if market goes about 1.5, I put my SL to break even. So this is the perfect break even trade. And there is another trade which is loss by some pip. If its SL was like this, and this will be the break even trade, like maybe it is 3R. Yeah, it is 3R, but this trade is loss like this, you can see. And then another structure is forming here, but I was looking the counter trend because the our buying zone is here, and then you can see there is the candle closure below this level, so this level become the invalid. This level become the invalid for the another buy. So this is the range from where I can self market from this level to this level. This is the expected buying level, but it did not come to this level. So we can see there is another support become resistance level on the 1 hour time frame. When the market when I mark the zone on 1 hour time frame, and then I refine slightly on the 15-minute time frame, but there is no any refinement. So after market toss in this level, my trade was like this. You can see after market toss this level, it forms the black candle here, and my SL was at this point, and it hit about 1 is to it is about 1 is to 2.39, but it did not come. My expectation was like this: if it hit 3R, it will come here, and then I can, if it comes here, I was expecting to buy from this level, and also it this trade will also hit the TP. My buy would be like this, and it will also hit TP, but unfortunately it did not came to this level, and it hit break even. And this is the 2 win, and this is break even trade, 2 break even and 1 loss trade. And also you can see there is another running trade I took from this level. You can see this is the structure, and the market broke this selling level also, you can see, and it formed the structure like this. And then you can see this is the 2 levels from where we can buy, and then this is the another level, and this is the another level. And market after closing this structure, I went to the 3-minute time frame, and I was also testing the another kind of entry, like if there is no any white candle, I'm looking like the inversion of the black candle also. I know the reason why it's not making the white candle, because as I coded my indicator, there should not be bearish pressure like this. You can see after the mark this candle closing, it's a high bearish pressure, so it did not form the white candle. Like you can see, it's the clean bullish signal, and then it went off. And here you can see after the closing of this after the closing of this black candle, I was testing this kind of entries. So I took this trade, and then it hit about 1.5 IRR. Here you can see it's not break even, and after that it hits about 1.5 IRR, and then I am just leaving this trade on break even and TP at 1:3 IRR, like this, 1:3 RR. Let's see how will it go. And there is the this is the pro trend, and there is no any structure for me. And then if it form structure like this and like this, I will try to catch the counter trend at this level, because this is the high probability selling zone, and this is the kind of double change of character, which is also called the double QM. And this is the high probability selling zone. And let's see how it goes. And thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like my video, you can subscribe, and you can comment how is my video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in the next video.